Hi, everyone. I won't be able to be in class today, so I'm making this recording of all the work that you need to work on today. So, if you have not finished and submitted your racist paragraph, please start working on it. It is due today by the end of class, and we need to really get it done. Make sure that you are using the racist checklist and all the sentence starters that go along with it. Make sure we're typing our answers inside of the box. So remember, you should have restate, answer, a cite, explain, a cite number 2, and explain in a summary. Remember, we're getting all of our information from our Native American graphic organizer. That's what we're citing from, even though we're writing according to textbook. Because all the information from the Padlet came from the textbook, so make sure when you're citing, you say according to textbook. For those of you who are done with your racist paragraph, or when you finish today, you can go to Monday assignments, and you can work on racist day 2 extensions, and just work your way down the extension activities. But remember, first, you're working on your racist and getting it submitted by the end of class. You're using your graphic organizer to get the information for your racist. And once you've completed and submitted to Schoology, you're going to go to Monday assignments, racist day 2 extensions, and work on the extension activities. Thank you.